This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Alex Fujic. 5601 Bentgrass Drive, Unit 10115. One or more photos has been virtually staged. The perfect location. This 2-bed/2-bath 2-story condo is in the enchanting community of Las Palmas of Sarasota. Perfect as a full-time residence, a fun getaway or an investment, this community is located just north of the Meadows and south of University Boulevard and is in the heart of everything. It treats residents to a mix of world-class dining and shopping at UTC, a short ride to both Downtown Sarasota and St. Pete/Tampa and our fabulous Gulf beaches. This charming community features 2 clubhouses, 2 heated pools, a sauna, tennis courts, fitness center, lush grounds and easy access to walking trails and outdoor activities at Benderson Park. This condo has an attached garage on the ground floor, living and kitchen on the 2nd level and master bedroom, guest room and laundry on the 3rd. There is a beautifully screened balcony just of the living area that looks out over a view of water and lodgepole pine trees. Gorgeous. The fully equipped kitchen is complete with dramatic granite countertops, solid wood cabinetry and gleaming stainless appliances and breakfast nook. The open floor plan seamlessly joins the kitchen and living area, making it an ideal space for entertaining family and friends. Up on the 3rd level, you will find privacy, peace and quiet and a great space to end the day. The master bedroom is loaded with natural light and a generously sized walk-in closet. It has an ensuite bath with tub and shower, large vanity and transom window. The guest room and laundry are situated to afford privacy and ease of use. This beautiful condo in pristine Las Palmas offers the perfect combination of location and natural beauty. It won't last long. For more information, review the details.